Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss this question. Find the interval in which the function f given y fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly decreasing. So when we are going to check this type of question, like a strictly decreasing, a strictly increasing or increasing or decreasing, this is question from application of derivative. So what is the concept of a strictly decreasing and a strictly increasing? So just I will discuss that concept, I will revise that concept. So two things I am writing. Function is increasing, function is decreasing. So function is increasing means f dash x should be equal to or greater than and greater than 0. Decreasing means f dash x will be less than equal to 0. I will discuss these things, how to solve this question. First we are understanding the concept. What is the meaning of function increasing? Function is increasing. Function is increasing means if function fx is increasing means f dash x will be greater than equal to 0. If function is decreasing means f dash x will be less than equal to 0. And one word you are seeing, a strictly decreasing. A strictly decreasing means if I will include this word a strictly decreasing or increasing, then this equal sign will remove. Suppose I discussed increasing, then f dash x is greater than equal to 0. Decreasing means less than equal to 0. Suppose I am telling a strictly increasing. A strictly increasing means this equal sign I will remove. So function will be always greater than 0, not equal I will not take. A strictly increasing means greater than 0, f dash x is greater than 0. Similarly, if I am talking about a strictly decreasing, so a strictly decreasing, so this equal sign I will remove. So f dash x will be less than 0. So that is the only difference between a strictly increasing and increasing. In increasing I will include equal sign, equal 0, and as decreasing I will include equal. In a strictly I will remove that. So I hope this concept is clear. Now I am going to discuss this question. So this question is about a strictly decreasing, so I will not include equal sign. Okay, this question is about strictly decreasing. So function is given as fx is given as x square minus 4x plus 6, and since we are going to discuss f strictly decreasing means f dash x will be less than 0. So first I have to find f dash x, so means derivative of function. So first I will find derivative of this function, and derivative of this function is very simple, x square derivative. So x square derivative is 2x minus then minus 4, and x derivative is 1, so 4 into 1 1, and 6 derivative will be 0. So derivative of this function is 2x minus 4. So I will find one point where function f dash x is 0. I will find the value of x where f dash x is 0. So if f dash x is 0, if I am telling that f dash x is 0, if f dash x is 0 means 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. And when I will simplify this, so 2x and constant will go right side, minus 4 will become plus 4, so plus 4, and x will be equal to 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 means 2. So x value I got 2. X value I got 2. So now I am going to plot this x value on the number line. So I am taking a number line. Okay. On this I am plotting 2. So 2 will be somewhere here. Okay. And now I am going to check where f dash x is 0. Means obviously two possible value of x in this question. Either x will be less than 0 or either x will be greater than 0. Okay. So two condition I am making. First condition, if when x is less than 2, and second condition will be when x is greater than 2. So to check any value which is less than 2, so you take any value. Less than 2 means I am taking any value 1. So when x is less than 2, I am assuming let x is equal to 1. Correct. So f dash x at value x equal to 1 you check. So f dash x, just now we found f dash x, what we got, f dash x is 2x minus 4. So f dash x is 2x minus 4. This I know, 2x minus 4. Just put the value of x as 1 in this, because we are taking x as less than 2. X is less than 2. So x is less than 2. So just put one value of x as 1. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 4, minus 2. So it means when x is less than 2, f dash x be got as minus 2. Minus 2 means negative. Just we have to check that negative or positive. So f dash x is negative. It means I am summarizing this. When x is less than 2, f dash x is less than 0. Correct? And when x is greater than 2, so x is greater than 2 means you imagine any value, x as 3. So when x is greater than 2, you imagine x as 3. So x as 3. Let x as 3. And then you find f dash x. F dash x, you know, 2x minus 4. When you will put x value as 3, so this will be 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So obviously 2 means f dash x is positive. So when x is greater than 2, f dash x is positive. Positive means greater than 0. So f dash x is greater than 0. And then we have to, what we have to check? We have to check decreasing. We have to check decreasing, strictly decreasing. So decreasing means less than 0. So f dash x is less than 0 in which condition? When x is less than 2. So f dash x, so first answer of this question is fx is decreasing. Fx is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. F dash x is a strictly decreasing means f dash x will be less than 0. And when f dash x is less than 0, when x is less than 2, x is less than 2 means x will lie between minus infinity to 2. Either you can write in this way or you can write in another way as well. You can write like this, ki x belongs to minus infinity to 2, and I will write open bracket because a strictly decreasing. So I will not include this value. I will not include this value. So answer of this question is minus infinity to 2 in open bracket. So I hope you understood this question. Now suppose in this question, this strictly word is not there. Question is simply, it is function is decreasing. So when function is decreasing, so suppose function is decreasing, so I will take less than, so I will take less than equal to 0. And when fx is less than equal to less than, so obviously x is less than 2, but equal means x will equal. So I will include this equal value if only decreasing. If a strictly decreasing, so I will not include this value 2. So I hope this is also clear, a strictly decreasing and decreasing. Now third point in this question, suppose I am changing this question with increasing. I am removing this decreasing, and then this question I am converting in another question like increasing or strictly increasing. Increasing, strictly increasing, you know, just you will include that value or you will like not include. So if I am writing increasing, so when it is increasing, so this all steps will be same. Just in last I will go and I will pick this. I will pick this one. Okay, greater than 0. Okay, so increasing means it will be greater than equal to 0. So just I am changing this. Okay, f dash x is increasing. Now in this case f dash x is increasing. Increasing means f dash x will be greater than equal to 0. And when f dash x is greater than equal to 0, when x is greater than equal to 2. And when x is greater than equal to 2 means x belongs to 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity, and 2 will be included. Okay, if a strictly increasing, then this 2 will be excluded. So I hope you understood this type of question, like increasing or decreasing function. So thanks for watching.